Hey guys, it's Kay, and today we have a little bit of a different video situation. So I got an idea not too long ago to kind of like upgrade my nail polish tower. I'm kind of uncomfortable, by the way, if you can't tell. Let me grab a chair. So what's gonna happen is that I am going to replace these acrylic sheets, which are transparent and boring, with these. And you might be thinking to yourself, well, okay, that is not much of an improvement, but it is. Take a look here. Okay, do you see this green edge? So the sheet is actually that color. It's a neon green sheet, and this brown stuff is just like a protective layer that it has, which I'll peel off at the end. That is gonna be the very last step because there is some prep that I need to do first. So the first step is gonna be to remove all of the nail polishes from the tower and also remove these little fairy light thingies that I had put on it, but I never really used. All of the nail polishes are gonna go in this box. Currently my favorite polish. How sad does this look from 1 to 10? This is how it looks with the fairy lights on. Now I'm gonna try to remove these fairy lights, which are on here with tape. Okay, so now I'm gonna start to take this apart. Okay, so now that I've taken this apart, I'm realizing that these are regular holes that I can drill into the new ones with my drill, but these three have like an indentation. Yeah, I'm really not sure what I'm going to do about that. I guess I will tackle that problem once we get there. So let's just get to sanding the green sheet, and then I guess I will worry about this later. All of these 4 edges have now been sanded down, so it is officially safer to bump into this soon-to-be nail polish tower. I just noticed something. I have been using the 320 grit sandpaper when the grittiest one was the 180, so that's okay. We still got the job done. I am on the very last sheet now. After that, I should be able to start drilling the holes. And once the holes are drilled, that's it. It's gonna be time to peel this brown stuff off and reveal the actual acrylic sheet and then put it all back together. Okay, we're done sanding. Finally. What do we have to do next? Let's drill holes and get everything aligned before we do that, of course. And I think the step after that should be polishing the edges, because after that I won't have to be maneuvering and touching the acrylic that much, other than to put it together, of course. I drilled the final hole. Now I'm gonna move on to polishing these edges. I found this thing. It's called Metal Polish Cream. This is what my dad used to polish my headlights.
Nobody's gonna know.
I don't know, it kind of seems to me like headlight material and this material is a little bit similar in some way. It's kind of like plasticky. I'm gonna try this and see how it looks. And if it doesn't look good, then we just won't polish the edge. The edge will stay matte. I guess there is some shine to it. That is how they ended up. That is the shine level that I was able to get to with that wax. And I don't know, I guess that's pretty good. It's not as glossy as the clear panels, but it's still way better than what it was. Okay, so you know what this means, right? It is officially time to put this back together and see if I actually like it or if I just wasted my entire day doing this. Let's start by removing the brown film. And we'll also see if I cracked any of these while drilling into them. Okay, so it's a little dirty, as you can see. I will wipe it down, but this is what the panel looks like. I think it looks really cool. You guys, we're done. It's about to be 1 a.m. It's 12:55 a.m. I dig it so much. I love it. I love it so much. And I don't think the camera is really picking up the glow in the edges. It is so strong. It's almost like it's being lit up by a UV light or something, but I don't have any UV lights on. Also, I feel like the camera is portraying it as more of a yellowish color, but it's definitely like a lime green, you know, it's not that yellow. Either way, I think it looks super dope. I know the neon green is not for everyone, but I had to go with this one, and I'm so excited. I love my nail polish power. My nail polish power. Let's put the nail polishes back on because I'm really tired. So that's it. That's the final result. I dig it. I really, really, really like it. Would I do this again? Absolutely. As tedious and as much as my arm hurts and as much as I know it's gonna hurt even more tomorrow, I would definitely do it again. And next time I would make sure to get the acrylic sheets in the correct thickness because I did measure, but I measured wrong, clearly. I don't know how much of an orderly process this was. I'm gonna try to edit this so it looks like I knew what I was doing, but nah. So thanks for joining, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.